In today's video, I am going to show you how to not look like you are absolutely drowning in your trench coat. I love a good trench, but I am a short girly and I have a tendency to look like I am drowning in my trench. I'm going to go through 3 different trench coat looks and how to pick clothes and style your trench so you don't look like you're drowning. Okay, cool. Okay, let's get started. In this first look, I am going for an outfit that is casual but slightly dressy. I'm pairing these jeans with a shirt and some sneakers to keep the look quite casual and comfortable. I got this really awesome trench on sale for under 80 bucks, which is such a steal. The color is great. I love the length, but it looks like I'm drowning in it. And it's not like there's something wrong with this trench. This is just the case with most trenches that I wear. Because I'm short and petite, most coats look like they are oversized on me. So first thing I'm gonna do is give it some shape by tying the belt strap behind the back in a knot, and this will help give the trench some dimension by making it look more fitted in front, and it also gives some detail in the back. What this also does is it opens up the front of the trench, showing more of your outfit, so it's not just a sea of trench. The second thing I'm going to do is tuck my collar over my trench so it doesn't look like it's getting crumpled under the coat, but it also adds another layer of styling, which is subtle but makes quite a big difference. Now we've got this baggy shirt situation that looked quite nice before I put the trench on, but with the trench on it looks quite sloppy, so I'm going to tuck it into my pants, and what that does is it automatically elongated my legs because that cutoff point is not halfway through my body anymore. It's a lot higher, and that gives the illusion that I look a bit taller. I could just leave the outfit like this, but I'm going to take it up just one more notch. I'm going to use some elastic bands to create that ruffled sleeve look, which I mentioned in my previous style hacks video, which I'll link below. But now my shirt sleeve is being all awkward and just hanging there uninvited. So I'm going to fold it over my trench, and it worked out quite well. And what this does is that it exposes your arms, which is lovely when you have an outfit that doesn't show much skin, and it creates another bit of interest to a very straight outfit. I'm going to show another take on a trench coat outfit that probably doesn't need all that extra tucking and folding, and it starts with some high-waisted shorts, which I am absolutely obsessed with wearing during winter. And how I get away with wearing shorts in winter is by wearing these fleece-lined leggings that look like you're wearing pantyhose but are not actually pantyhose. They're so comfy and they look legit. I'll link them below. I love a good oversized jumper in winter. It's super cozy, you just can't go wrong. I'm going to pair this outfit with a chunky black boot and love how that came together. I'm going to add the trench to this outfit, keeping that knot tied at the back, and that is all I'm really going to do to this outfit. No tucking or folding, and why this outfit works is because there's a good balance between skin and clothes, so it really didn't need much to add shape underneath the trench. Another outfit that is really easy to pull off is by wearing an all black outfit underneath the trench. I'm going to start with some black leggings and then add a form-fitting long sleeve top on top of that. This is my favorite kind of base to wear under anything oversized because it's so flattering and forgiving. It hides all the lumps and bumps and really just goes with anything. This is going to be a super casual outfit that doesn't take much effort, yet it still makes it look like you put some effort into it. Again, using that trench with the knot at the back to help bring some shape, and we have ourselves a very cute runaround outfit that looks so good, like so good. Are we team long socks or are we team hidden socks? Because I've never been a long socks person, but I feel like it's growing on me. And there we have it. 3 easy trench coat outfits that don't make you look like you are being inhaled by your trench. So easy to pull off, and that will take your trench game up a notch. Thanks again for watching, and please give my channel a subscribe and this video a like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!